log into your ArayMusic account. Then click on Finance and go to Deposit. Here in the payment method, simply choose Payeer and click on Next. Enter the deposit amount, then click on Confirm. Recheck the deposit amount and payment method, then click on Confirm. Now you will be directly redirected to the Payeer payment page. Here you can choose multiple cryptocurrencies. Once you choose that, enter your Payeer email and click on Confirm. Now, you can simply open the Payeer mobile app and pay using the QR, or you can click on the link received on your email and pay using that. Once payment is done, it takes a few minutes to reflect in your ArayMusic account. The account upgrade is simple. Just click on the Upgrade Now from the left menu. Then you can see multiple options. The higher you choose, your earnings will be higher. After adding the balance, simply click on Buy Now. Then choose Spending Balance, and your account has been upgraded successfully.